Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Under the hood is a 3-liter inline-six turbo with EcoBoost, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 5-spoke 20-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. In the rear we've got captain's chair. Third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming up front, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Stepping inside, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls, displayed on a 10.25-inch monitors on the left and rear. The left side controls the left side and the right side controls the right side. We got paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is MBUX, which is Mercedes Artificial Intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands such as, "Hey, my Mercedes, turn on heated seats."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got dual climate controls, a wireless charging station, USB ports, a new touchpad for our infotainment center, our dynamic selects for different driving settings, our volume, navigation, parking cameras. This GLS has 3,821 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmannimports.com.